Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And this video I will show you how to use more data on 5G on iPhone 15 Pro. First of all, open your settings and choose the mobile service option. In the mobile service option, you can see the mobile data option as a second option. Tap on it and choose the data mode option. In the data mode option, you can see the option allow more data on 5G. Tap on the option. Now you can use more data on your 5G network. Allow more data on 5G, may prefer 5G to Wi-Fi and use it for software updates, automatic iCloud backups and higher quality media. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.